Hey guys, hi. So in this video we are going to talk about FunctionGemma, an Android application that I have made using Unreal Engine 5.6. The idea behind this application was to integrate the FunctionGemma 270M model made by Google into a game and to test its capabilities to see how it works. So before going ahead, I think first of all, as you can see on my screen on the top right, this phone is currently on flight mode. So basically the beauty of the FunctionGemma model is that it runs completely on your device, fully locally, fully offline. So I am on airplane mode right now, so there is no internet connected to this device. Now to look at this application, you can see that I have some joysticks. I can move around and I can sort of jump and do quite a lot of things. But let's look at the features that FunctionGemma is providing us here. So on the left side you can see that there is a chat box, and I can either type into the chat box or I can speak using speech to text. And this chat box is basically used to talk to the model. Now let's just type something. What I will do is, can you find me the nearest assault rifle, and hit submit. And as you can see, Gemma says I found a rifle nearby. So the way this model works is that it understands the user query. It tries to find a function that it has been trained on, which is compatible with the function query, with the user query, and then based on the function's execution response, it sort of gives me an natural language output, which we print in the chat box. So let's look at something else, but this time let's try using the speech to text functionality. And for that I'll click this mic button and let's just say, hey, it's too hot, let's change the time to evening. And as you can see, the model has switched the lighting scenario of the level, or basically the time of day, from day to night. Let's look at one more thing. Now what I can do is I can click on this yellow button which says set pin on floor. Now this button will basically create a small marker pin on my floor, and what I can do here is that I can ask FunctionGemma, hey, can you move the bot to the location of the marker pin? And yes, the bot has moved to the location. And obviously, as you can see, there are a lot of spelling mistakes in the, or rather words have been picked up wrong by speech to text, but it still works. Now I can try one more feature maybe. Yeah, let's say, hey, I don't like the color of this weapon, can you paint it black? And yes, it has indeed painted it black. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.